Welcome to the video. This video will be video presentation for Group MMT for our network project under the supervision of Dr. Isreza. For our company profile, our company name is Meng Meng Ta Corporation or short form MMT Corporation. Our address is located in JKR 1148 Jalan Besar in Pari Raja, Johor. This company is founded on 5 May 2019. Our company mission is to sell network hardware and provide network-related service. And our vision is to open branches in Malaysia and reach more customers around in Malaysia. And for this project, our client is Audi Pro Enterprise Malaysia, which require us to build a LAN network with Wi-Fi access for the new building. And this new building will have total of 3 floors and 6 departments. As you can see here, the total nodes for this building or total host is 400, and each floor has 2 departments, which is marketing, sales on second floor, finance and accounting on first floor, and IT and customer care on the ground floor. And each of these departments has a different capacity of hosts. And in this video, our group will show our network topology design for this building using packet tracer and our LAN schematic diagram, as well as the cost of the project and the warranty.
So I'm going to present the LAN of the project. The LAN is the local area network. In the project, we have 400 network hosts and to be used in 6 departments. So what we're going to do is we have to reuse all the hosts to build a local area network. So before we start, we have to divide every department and we have to know how many hosts needed for every department. So for example, for the second floor marketing, the host needed is 120. So we just list down and make it a table. After that, we have to make a subnet table. We have to know the department, the host needed, the host available when we build the subnet, the IP address, the subnet address, the subnet mask, the first address and the last address and broadcast address. All of this is the plan of us. So the table of network device. Beside the host, we have to build the network device to connect each other. So for example, we use 2 routers and 6 switches to connect all the network device. Let's talk about the packet tracer. So this is wide area network, which is where the internet come from, and the internet come from will go to the router, and this is the router, and router 1 and router 2, R1, R2. So we are using the model 2911 because the 2911 support up to 3 GHz Ethernet port. So the 3 GHz Ethernet port will connect to the switch. We are 6 switches in this network. So which is the S1, S2, S3, S4, S5 and S6. So the cost estimation is one of the consideration in our plan. So for example, the customer care, there are only 22 hosts needed. So we are using the 5 port so that we can move to going to ping. So we can verify by ping. So we can ping, maybe we can ping this one, the PC1. So 192.168.1.163. Yeah, so we can see. So the first time will be the request timeout and the ping is successful. Yeah, because this is the first ping. Okay, let's try this one and we just move to the ping, or maybe we can ping the PC3 in the second floor, 0.1.3. Yeah, so the before, the first ping will be delay and successful. So we are proof that the configuration is
screen. This is the floor layout diagram. Let me just go to the ground floor. The ground floor will have 2 departments and 1 network equipment room. For ground floor, the IT department will support 4 network hosts connected physically and 26 wireless hosts via wireless access point. For customer care department, you can support up to 3 network hosts for physical connections and 17 wireless hosts. For the network equipment room at the ground floor level, it will connect to the router at the first floor. Also, it will have two switches to provide the connections towards the wireless access point and physical connections. The details will be shown in the horizontal cabling diagram. On to the first floor. The first floor will have four things: accounting department, finance department, pantry and network equipment room. For accounting department, it can support 10 network hosts physical connection and 48 wireless hosts via wireless access point. For finance department, it can support 10 physical hosts and 52 wireless hosts. There's a little pantry over there where people can go there and enjoy themselves, a little bit of breakfast, dinner or lunch. And also there will be a network equipment room. For first floor, network equipment room will have two routers and two switches. Both routers will provide connection to the second floor and ground floor, while the other two switches will transmit the connections towards the wireless access points and physical connections on the first floor. For the second floor, you will have marketing department, sales department, a little nice pantry, and network equipment room. For marketing department, it can support 15 physical hosts and 105 wireless hosts. For sales department, it can support 15 network hosts and 95 wireless hosts via wireless access point. For network equipment room, it will have two switches to provide the connections on this floor level. Also, it will be connected to the router at the first floor. That's all for the floor layout diagram. Let me just go through the project schedule. For project schedule, we start on the 24th of May up to 14th of July. Or 14th of June, sorry. For 24th of May, there will be like 6 stages here. 6 stages: preparation, land schematic drawings, cabling setup, user experience, project costing finalized, and closing of project. For preparations, we meet with the customers and see what the customer wants from us. For the second stages is the land schematic drawings. We prepare the drawings for their floor diagrams and also to make sure that all the hardware will be installed on properly. For cabling setup, we will go to the companies and set up floor by floor, starts from the ground floor, first floor and second floor. For the user experience, after setting up the cables, we would like to test the connections overall in the buildings. If there is some fixes, then we will go through the next process, which is the major and minor fixes. The second last stage is the project costing finalized. We finalize everything about the hardware installed, the cabling setup, everything, and then we give our customers our best price. If the customer agrees, then he can then proceed with the payments. After that is the closing of project. For the closing of project, we provide network support and warranty. The warranty period will be shown in the paperwork. And the network support is that we will give 24 hours network support if the server is down, if the switches are down, then we would fix them. So that's all from me. I'll pass it to the next guy. Thank you.
Now we discuss about the project cost. This is the invoice for the Audio Pro Enterprise Malaysia. In this invoice, we can view the product name, the unit of the price for each product, and the quantity that the company buy. Next, this is the table for the project cost. The item, which is the device that needed in this project, is listed with the price and the quantity. Besides that, the backbone cable and the horizontal cable is also listed with the price and quantity. The backbone cable is the cable that used to connect between the router and router or router and switch, whereas the horizontal cable is the cable used to connect between the switch and device or switch and the wireless access port. In this project, the company need to pay the implementation and the service fee for us, which is among 2,000 ringgit. In the whole project, the total costing is among 47,908 ringgit. Last, we need to discuss about the warranty and network supporting. This is the MMD warranty summary. In this summary, we can see that the project that we do and the contractee for this project. This warranty is granted by Meminta Corporation, which is our company, and the period for the warranties is among 2 years.